How often do you think about the role of AI automation in your business? Could the implementation of AI technologies be the key to unlocking your company's potential? Welcome, curious minds, to our latest video where we'll unravel the mysteries of AI automation and how it could revolutionize your operations. AI automation, in essence, is the utilization of artificial intelligence to execute tasks traditionally requiring human intellect. It's about harnessing the power of AI algorithms and machine learning to automate repetitive tasks, which in turn liberates precious time and resources. This concept might seem daunting, but fear not. We're about to break it down into digestible, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, assess your needs. This involves taking a comprehensive look at your current processes and pinpointing areas that could benefit from automation. Are there tasks that are overly time-consuming or susceptible to human error? Those are your prime candidates for automation. Secondly, choose the right tool. The market is teeming with AI automation tools, each with its unique strengths and features. From workflow automation platforms to AI-driven chatbots, the choices are abundant. It's crucial to invest time in researching and selecting a tool that aligns perfectly with your business goals and needs. Once you've selected your tool, it's time for implementation. This is the third step. Incorporate your chosen tool into your existing workflows. This step may require some customization and integration with your current systems. Ensure to provide ample training for your team members to guarantee a seamless transition. The fourth step is to start reaping the benefits. As you begin integrating AI automation into your business, you'll start witnessing a plethora of advantages. From increased efficiency and reduced costs to improved accuracy and heightened customer satisfaction, the list goes on. Keep an eye on key metrics to measure the impact of automation on your business. Lastly, it's important to address common concerns about AI automation. While some fear job displacement and the loss of the human touch, remember, the purpose of AI automation is not to replace humans, but to augment their capabilities. By automating mundane tasks, your employees can concentrate on more rewarding and creative work. As we conclude today's journey into the realm of AI automation, remember the potential it holds for your business. If you found this guide helpful and you're eager to learn more about technology and innovation, go ahead and hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.